guys, what's going on? So it's another day here at Jeff's house. Today's kind of more of a cleanup day. So as we have the engine out, we are still waiting for a couple more parts because we did find an oil leak on the oil pan, which we believe it was from the oil pan being bent in one location. So just to be safe, we ordered another one. As right now, Jeff is cleaning up the engine bay. Since we have the engine out, might as well. Doing quite a good job. Say hi to the people, Jeff.
What's up? Oh, yeah.
So what you gotta say?
Nothing much. Just kind of bummed that there's an oil leak. But other than that, I mean, what can you do, right?
Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, we've had the RTV on the oil pan for maybe like 3 days, and still it's not fully cured, and that's what kind of got us thinking. It was a good thing because honestly I forgot the O-ring that goes on that little hole right there. This is a part of the oil drain back system, so it was a good thing I went back into there to kind of check. But it was, you know, we discovered that some parts where oil was getting onto the gasket wasn't sealed properly. So it's a good thing and a bad thing that we came across it, but it does kind of suck that there was an oil leak. But good thing we caught it kind of in the beginning before we actually started the car. That way we prevented basically like a engine catastrophic failure, and possibly oil starvation over time too. So let's call it a blessing in disguise. So again, we're gonna get back to it. Thank you guys, and see you guys later. Alright, change of plans, y'all. So Jeff here has a little project that we were gonna do at the end, but since we're already here, it's to get these daytime running lights running. So he wants to either tap it in with the fog lights or to the LED daytime running light here. So we're gonna get the bumper off. Well, Jeff's gonna get the bumper off because I don't know how to do it. He's taken it off like maybe multiple times. And and basically we're gonna get it going from there. So watch us do this and get going.
Daytime running lights. Shit, yeah. So when you tap this into somewhere in here, or I don't know, get an extender and then tap it to the battery on the fuse box. Other than that, pretty simple.
Alright guys, so that's it for today. We only got, we got the wiring done for the fog lights, daytime running lights, and the front STI badge on. Jeff is hungry and tired, but check out that new Dream Dimension sweater.
Cut it out.
Alright, so again, like I said, we're gonna call it a night. Right now the time is probably around 3 o'clock in the morning. So I got work, so see you guys. Have a good night.
Good night, good night.